Right class, today we're learning about physiotherapy. Who's ever had an injury or perhaps suffered from back or neck pain? Even if you haven't, please pay attention. Physiotherapy is used to get people more mobile, active and live a life free from pain. It enables people to continue doing the things they love to do and doesn't let body aches and pain get in the way. It achieves this through using methods such as manipulation, biomechanical analysis, exercise prescription, massage, acupuncture, electrotherapy and much more. Physiotherapy can help with a number of conditions, including joint problems, spinal problems, soft tissue injuries and following fractures to bones. It can also help with conditions that affect your brain, such as multiple sclerosis or following a stroke. It's not just about healing sore muscles, and certainly isn't just for athletes. In fact, the 40 to 65 age group often benefits the most from physiotherapy. A course of physiotherapy is often much more affordable than people think, and the sooner a person is seen and treated, the quicker they recover. I see you're all taking notes. Excellent. But here's another note I want you to jot down if ever you need to see a real physiotherapist. In fact,